So you bought a new iPhone and now it's time to erase everything because you would like to sell it. You would like to be sure that everything is wiped out. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. The first thing we're going to do that is to unlock our iPhone. And in the settings, we're going to scroll to General, and after that, we're going to scroll all the way down to where it says Transfer or Reset iPhone. So we're going to tap that one. And here we have either we can reset or erase all content and settings. And here we also have the setting for prepare for a new phone. But I have a dedicated video for how you're going to move all your stuff from your old phone to the new phone. And I have dropped a link to that one at the end of this video so you can find that there. If you click reset, you won't access these settings because under reset you have reset all settings, network settings, and other stuff that you maybe need to access sometimes if you have some specific issues with the phone. But to erase the phone so no one can find what's on it, you go to erase all content and settings. It's going to ask if it's going to remove all of these things that you can see here. It's my apps, my data, my Apple account, my Find My is going to be deactivated. So then we're just going to take continue, and then we're going to just confirm that we're going to erase phone. Now we just follow the instructions on the screen. We're just going to type in my passcode, and now it's backing up data to iCloud. I don't want to do that, so I'm going to take skip because I have already set up my new iPhone here via the tutorial that I have linked to in the description box below. So I don't need to do that. What I need to do that is to confirm my password for my Apple account so it can deactivate Find My. And after we type in that password, we just take turn off. And now the Find My is going to be turned off, and then we're going to disconnect this phone from our Apple account. And your iPhone will most likely restart both 1 and 2 times during this erase phase. Now your iPhone is reset and erased and ready for a new user. Next thing we can do that is to see chat in that video, because in that video I'm going to show you the best way to transfer all your data from your old iPhone to a new one, because it's not what Apple tells you. And at the bottom here, that is the video that YouTube recommended to watch next. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. Bye.